Alright guys, working on the 62 T-Bird this morning. Now we did a video of where shocks were too short. Front end being done, the radius bushings and the brake lines. So I'll give you guys an update on that in a little bit here. Alright guys, late. Alright, shocks are in. Shackles are in the right spot now. Yeah, well, less tension on that poor guy, which I'm replacing next right now. But yeah, nice and bolted in. Good to go. Super happy now. I'm gonna start messing with this line right here. It's the next one. But I'll show you guys the front since I forgot to give you guys a update video. What do you think, Skinny? Corvette. Oh yeah. Oh, my light didn't turn on. Let's grab a light real quick. Nice day today, though. Grab a light. Just give the light. Whoa. It's quiet in the shop today. No music right now. No Scotty. No boss. All right, there we go. So, all bolted back in there. Fresh bushings. Nice. There's a new brake line in there in the front. New brake line on this side. This is all bolted up. Nice, good bushings. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, let me get that back brake line in, and I'll give you guys an update. Deuces.